The M-Series lineup offers a model in every size class and the flexibility to move up or down between classes. Bottom line, Caterpillar has the right solution to meet your specific application needs. The Cat M-Series really will change the way you operate. Forever. Caterpillar is way ahead of the curve on joystick control. Once your operators become comfortable with it, they'll never want to go back. And the M-Series offers much more than just the new controls. DCM serviceability improvements offer major savings in owning and operating costs. The all-wheel drive option helps give you the precise capabilities you need. Advanced power management helps make M-Series machines more productive than anything else on the market. And Assert technology offers a real edge in regulatory compliance and performance per cubic inch. The M-Series represents a monumental change in motor grader design. It will change the way operators run their machines. It will change expectations. And it will set new standards in motor grader performance, efficiency, and productivity. Caterpillar M-Series motor graders. Truly monumental. Controlling the machine and work tools with the M-Series motor graders is easy and intuitive. The left joystick primarily controls the machine. Leaning left or right steers the machine. Twisting articulates the machine with an automatic return to center feature controlled by the far right yellow button. Upper left and right thumb buttons govern front wheel lean. An index finger trigger shifts the transmission into forward, neutral, or reverse. Additional buttons provide upshift, downshift control. The only function on the left joystick dedicated to the work tool control is the pull-push motion, which activates the left moldboard lift cylinder. Pushing the left joystick past the detent places the left lift cylinder in the float mode. The right joystick is mostly dedicated to drawbar, circle, and moldboard control. Pull-push activates the right moldboard lift cylinder, intuitively mirroring the pull-push function of the left joystick, as well as providing the same float capability for the right lift cylinder. Leaning the joystick left or right side shifts the moldboard. Twisting rotates the circle. A four-way hat switch controls two functions. Rolling the switch forward and back tips the moldboard. Rolling it left and right shifts the drawbar to the left and right. The M-Series intuitive joystick control pattern allows both new and experienced operators to become productive quickly. Logical grouping of hydraulic functions in the joysticks allow any operator to easily control several functions at the same time. This allows for more productivity and comfort throughout the work shift. It truly will change the way you operate forever. For decades, Cat motor grader customers have heard that nothing replaces displacement. While that old adage was true in the past, today two factors have dramatically changed the rules for motor grader power: Tier 3 emission standards and Caterpillar Assert technology. Engine displacements for the M-Series machines are dictated by the requirements of the Tier 3 emission standards, as well as the need to maintain the performance requirements that Cat customers have come to expect. Our motor grader requirements include 1,000 RPM engine speed working range, a minimum of 10,000 foot altitude capability before engine duration, superior lugging capability, proper horsepower operating weight ratio, and maintained or improved productivity. With these performance characteristics defined, Caterpillar's current engine solutions could no longer meet regulatory emission standards and product performance requirements. The engines that could meet the defined performance characteristics were evaluated for each model, and in every case, the engine chosen had the largest displacement possible. Caterpillar has a lot of experience with its C-Series Assert engines in a wide range of applications, many of them much tougher on engine life than motor grader operations. That's why Caterpillar is confident in projecting the same engine life and reliability in M-Series motor graders as in the H-Series. That's what customers said they wanted, and that's what the M-Series delivers. That long engine life is due in part to the use of Assert technology. Assert technology allows CAT engines to supply more power per unit of displacement without burning up prematurely, because Assert reduces combustion temperatures by carefully regulating the timing and quantity of fuel delivery. This not only maintains engine life, it dramatically reduces emissions and enhances overall engine performance. Of course, power density is only one factor that goes into engine selection. For motor grader performance, matching engine power to machine weight is critical. Caterpillar has long been recognized as the best in the industry at balancing power output in its motor graders of all class sizes. The engines chosen for M-Series machines maintain Caterpillar's leadership position in optimum power to weight balance. Safety at Caterpillar is an integral part of all machine and system designs. An operator-present system keeps the parking brake engaged until the operator is seated and the machine is ready for safe operation. The standard secondary steering system automatically engages an electric hydraulic pump in case of a drop in steering pressure, allowing the operator to steer the machine to a stop. Speed-sensitive steering automatically provides an infinitely variable ratio between the joystick and the steer tires, resulting in less sensitive steering as the ground speed increases. Vibration and sound levels have been reduced by isolation mounting the cab, engine, and transmission for a quieter and more comfortable working environment, optimizing operator focus. A hydraulic lockout switch located in the cab disables all implement functions while still providing machine steering control. This safety feature is especially useful while the machine is roading. Brakes are located at the tandem wheels to eliminate braking loads on the powertrain. In addition, the brake systems are redundant and utilize accumulators to enable stopping in case of machine failure, further increasing operational safety. The standard circle drive slip clutch protects the drawbar, circle, and mold board from shock loads when the blade encounters an immovable object. It also reduces the possibility of abrupt directional changes in poor traction conditions, protecting the machine, operator, and surroundings. Optional blade lift accumulators help to absorb impact loads to the mold board by allowing vertical blade travel. They reduce unnecessary wear and help to avoid unintended machine movement for increased operator safety. Optional drop-down rear lights fold out from the rear of the machine. This creates a wider, lower profile to be better aligned with passenger cars. Visibility is further enhanced with an optional rear view camera. Developed specifically for rugged applications, this durable camera improves productivity and increases operator awareness of surroundings. High-intensity discharge lighting can replace the standard halogen lamps. The powerful HID lights are 4 times brighter, improving nighttime visibility and safety. Standard perforated raised steel walkways cover the tandems, providing a sturdy platform for standing and walking, and additional protection for the brake lines. The operator has dual exits from the machine, allowing for emergency egress should one side become obstructed. If the machine is not equipped with the optional right-hand door, a hammer is mounted in the cab for emergency exit. A battery disconnect switch located inside the left rear enclosure provides ground-level lockout of the electrical system to prevent inadvertent starting of the machine. An engine shutoff switch is located at ground level on the left rear of the machine, allowing anyone nearby to shut it down in case of emergency. To help reduce objects flying from the tires, as well as buildup of mud, snow, and debris, optional rear fenders can be added. The M-Series has many additional standard safety features, including laminated glass on the front windows and doors, backup lights and sounding alarm, black glare-reducing paint on the front frame and engine enclosure, lockable doors, and conveniently located grab rails for added safety. Taking a quick look at other enhanced features on the new machines. The electro-hydraulic system uses PPPC valves that provide proportional priority pressure compensated control for precision implement and machine operation. Manufactured by Caterpillar and available exclusively on CAT equipment, these valves compensate for the differences in flow requirements for various machine functions, based on the cylinder size and the volume differences between the barrel end and rod end of the cylinder. The result is predictable, consistent hydraulic speeds whether extending or retracting the cylinder, and independent of the engine speed. M-Series machines feature hydraulic service brakes, which are smoother and more responsive than air brakes. Hydraulic brakes also improve serviceability by eliminating the air system and air dryer. Customers who still want an onboard air compressor can order one as an option. In addition, M-Series brakes are mounted at each tandem tire. Some competitors mount their service brakes inboard of the final drives, which delivers a tremendous load through these critical components and can cause axle overheating or damage to these expensive components. Caterpillar retains its industry-leading position in brake surface area on M-Series machines, which means longer brake service intervals. The M-Series uses the same on-demand hydraulic cooling fan as the H-Series. A variable displacement hydraulic pump automatically adjusts fan speed based on engine cooling requirements. In cooler conditions, this results in more available net horsepower and less fuel burn. It's an efficient, proven system that provides a competitive advantage. M-Series engines, transmissions, and cabs are isolation mounted on all models to reduce vibration. This results in a smoother ride for the operator. On the 120M through the 14M models, the fuel tanks are now located below the cab. The 16M and 24M tanks will be mounted behind the cab. The M-Series tanks are designed to allow for at least 12 hours of runtime. They also provide for ground-level fueling. A fast fuel option allows fuel to be added at up to 100 gallons per minute. The 120M through the 14M front frame will utilize a formed structural carbon steel tube. Formed tube construction eliminates 30% of the parts and 30% of the welds in current frame structure. That improves reliability while delivering the strength and durability you expect.